Good afternoon, Indira Shah here. Let me show you how to prepare the small puris for pani puri. Okay. Now what you need is, this is the fine suji. We here in Karnataka we call it as chiroti rava. Okay. See, this is a fine rava. See. Okay. You need one measurement of fine rava, little salt, very little, and then 2 spoons of maida. This is maida is only for binding. Okay. Then to knead this you need soda. See, I am going to make the dough using soda, and just 1 spoon of oil you can add. Just 1 spoon. That's it. Now let me open the soda. Okay, now you can make around 50 to 60 puris in this. You should make a very tight dough. Okay. Let me close this. Trust me, this puri will be very tasty, very crispy, and this is very easy to prepare. So instead of buying from outside, you can make it by yourself. Maybe you need to spend an hour. Anyway, usually pani puris are made on the weekends. See, make a very tight dough. See, the dough is very tight. You need to knead them very well, at least for about 5 minutes you need to knead them, and then rest it for about 15 to 20 minutes. See here, it's not sticking to the hand. I have kneaded it so well. We have to rest it for about 15 minutes. You please make puris by yourself, because the puris that you get in the shops are usually made in the slum areas. They make it in a very unhygienic condition. So I think it's high time all of us stop buying it. But most of the time I make it myself. So you can also start making yourself. Watch my video. You can certainly make it. Okay. So now let me rest this for about 15 minutes and then come back to you. See, it is 15-20 minutes over. Now you can take one small ball. Again, keep it covered. You will have to keep it covered. Otherwise this will dry up very fast. Now it's so hard. Now you have to cut them into small pieces, because the ball should be of equal size. Let me cut it to half and then roll it again. Okay, now let me cut it. Now cut them into cut like this. Again roll this. Now what you should do is, here, press them and make small puris. As you make, you have to keep it like this and keep it covered. In the meantime, I'll keep the oil for frying. The oil is hot. Let me drop the puris. The oil should be hot, okay? Some puris will go flat, it's okay. You can make aloo puri or masala puri or anything. Now you can just remove them. I'll add few more puris. You have to keep it covered as you make. It should not dry. If it dries, it will not be fluffy. Turn them. Pick it up when it is pink in color. If you have two people, it's easy. One can roll it and the other one can fry it. See, are you able to see? You get very nice puris. Here pani puri is done. You can see the fluffy puris. It's very hot. Trust me, this will be very crispy and very tasty. You can make it in your house. This is very easy. So I hope you will certainly make it and give me your sincere feedback. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it. Okay, let me just show you one puri here. So crispy. So please make it, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. This is with Vela.